Hashtag short, guys. I'm doing an eSIM test, P0456, guys. As you can see, I have my smoke machine hooked up. You can see the ball trying to make its way to the bottom. If it makes it to the bottom and stay there, that signifies there's no, there you go, there's no small evap leak. However, I have a P0456. Now, what does that mean, JT? Guys, in some cases, this could be a glitch in the computer, guys. There are some flash updates that will address this. If you physically do a leak down test of your evaporative emission system and it passed, such as this, that's one thing you need to look at, okay? Keep that in mind. It's not actually always a leak. As you can see, the ball is at the bottom. All right, now this is the capless system, so one could always suspect a fuel cap, but that's not the case. So I'm gonna check and see if this car have any flash updates, and if it's due, that would be the repair that I make. All right, that's all I have, man. Hashtag short. Hashtag short, guys. Okay, we're going to piggyback on that Jeep that I had with the P0456, that 2018 Grand Cherokee. Well, I have the topology pulled up, guys, and what do you know right here? Is the PCM. Yes, yellow indicate there's a fault code. However, green indicate that there's a flash update. In fact, let's click that and see what we come up with. Yes, as you can see, the fault code P0456. But what we want to see is what this flash entails. Let's click flash. Let's go right here. Let's look at the TSB that's related to that. And what we will find, guys, is this TSB right here. And what do you know, guys? It will address the P0456. Symptom and condition. Customer may experience a meal indicator. Upon further investigation, they will find P0456. And what do you know, guys? They simply want you to flash update it. Now, where do you go to get that done? Likely a dealership, guys. That's the only thing I can tell you. That's all I have for now, man. Hashtag short. Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all remember the 2018 Grand Cherokee? I went ahead on and included those first two shorts in this video. Y'all know one of them was speaking about the fact that, yes, when you get a P0456, that stands for small evap leak. Okay, what's happening is simple. The computer detects a leak in the evaporative emission system. What they don't want is fuel vapors escaping the vehicle. Okay, so they use a sealed system to try to maintain those vapors and just essentially burn them out of the engine, burn them out of the tailpipe cleanly, all right, at a later time. Okay, so when the computer senses that there's a leak, it will store a trouble code. Now, in this case, it turned out there was no leak, but there was a trouble code for it being a leak. Remember I talked about when that happens, guys, a lot of times there is a glitch in this box here. This is called a PCM, Powertrain Control Module. ECU, there's a lot of names for it, okay? From time to time, and it has double EEPROM in it, which means you can erase and install programming, okay? So from time to time, Chrysler would issue updates, glitch repairs to this, and we will have to do them. And in this case, that is the case. It's a glitch. All right, now I went to the computer. Y'all saw on the second short, y'all saw where there was a flash update for it for that particular code, guys. That's what's amazing. All right, so now I want to encourage you guys something. I know I sound a little biased. I need you to go to the dealership to get the flashes done, guys. It is way too, I don't know, unless the shop you're going to have subscription with Chrysler and they basically using the same equipment. If not, it's kind of risky getting your computer flash update. All right, so now we're gonna get that. I'm gonna get that done. In fact, I'm gonna go to the computer and flash it now. No need of y'all watching that part, but I just wanted to clarify some things. I'm gonna use the computer. After I'm done, I'm gonna use the computer to tell me that the car is fixed. All right, yes. The computer has a self-test built inside of the controls that will run the monitor test itself. So you physically, in some cases, do not have to do a physical smoke machine leak down test. All right, so I'm gonna let's go to the computer because I'm gonna show you that feature and what it does and how it accomplishes what it's trying to accomplish. Remember, guys, the goal is just so the vehicles do not exhibit or let fuel vapors escape into the atmosphere. We don't want that. Okay, that's bad. So let's go over to the computer, guys. All right, guys, here's the controller that I'm getting ready to flash. Remember I told you that lightning bolt indicates that there's a flash update. Now we already went and saw what that entails. But what I want to show you guys is what I do after I'm done making my repairs, a small evap leak. Okay, so let's go under this PCM box. Let's go into miscellaneous. There's a feature called right here, PCM small leak verification test. Y'all see that? That is the test that we run to verify. Let the computer tell me if the car is fixed. I'm just going to show you snippets of it. Okay, before proceeding, so make sure it's flashed up to date. Okay, I haven't done that yet, but I'm going to. The eSIM is used by the PCM for leak detection. However, this test used a fuel pressure sensor in order to determine if the vehicle has a small leak. This is accomplished by monitoring the fuel tank pressure. So yes, it uses the fuel tank pressure sensor to verify if there's a leak. Okay, basically, when you make a repair to the evap system, you should run this test and let the computer tell you if the car is fixed. Small leak verification test. All right, so I'm gonna get on with flashing this car, and then I'm gonna do this test, and when it passes, I did say when because it will, I'm basically done. There are 5 different, I'm just letting y'all see the motion. So all right, there are 2, so yes, it's gonna go through a whole thing. So but for now, I'm done with this. I just wanted to show y'all that I'm getting ready to basically bring this PCM, this controller, I'm gonna flash this and bring this up to date, guys. Okay, no sense in y'all watching that. This is a straightforward deal that if you don't have a scan tool, you can't probably can't do it anyway. So there's no sense in me filming this part, but I just like to talk to you guys. Yes, it's pretty petty. It actually makes sure voltage are done. So I'm in the process of flashing this 2018 WK. This bulletin applied to the 2018 models, but I'm sure there's a lot of them out there that have the same problem. So I need you guys to be aware of that. Okay, just because there's a P0456 doesn't mean there's a physical leak. Sometimes there's a glitch in the computer that need to be addressed by way of flash updating that controller. Okay, now guys, I'm running out of time. This is no more than just battery low. The battery is not low. It's at sometimes even our computer will glitch out on us. Everything is computer controlled, guys. So starting Chrysler flash process. Yes, it's going to download the information. It's going to wipe out the software in the computer, download the software into my scan tool, YPod, YTech, and then put the software into the computer via my scan tool. So there's a pretty lengthy process with this, and I don't want to bore you guys viewing it, okay, because it's fairly straightforward and simple. So on that note, let's go back to the car. Yes, everything is done. Test pass, everything is straight, we good. I verified that it's fixed. And now it's safe to deliver this vehicle to its respected owner. All right, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching.